we are going to how to handle windows. So I have already told you before, close method is used for closing the particular window. It means that particular tab. They say that window is nothing but a particular tab. So here what we are going to do is, in this website, we are going to use the particular website. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to handle the window. So as far as windows are concerned, every window will have a unique ID. Okay, so you need to remember that every window will have a unique ID. We already know that every window we will be giving a title. We will be fetching the title from the windows, but every window, they have a unique ID for that window, which is not visible to us. Only developer knows that ID. Okay, so this is one window, and this is, if I click on this, it will open a separate window. So this is another window. So one, this is second window. Okay, understand this? These are multiple windows. We are going to handle this multiple windows. Okay, so as far as we are using only a single window, here we are going to handle multiple windows, and every window have a window handle name. That is window handle number or ID, whatever it is, you can just say, but we are going to get the handle ID of that particular window. So what I have done here is, I have opened the Chrome browser and I have opened the URL, and I'm going to use the method called get window handle. So it will get the number ID of that particular window, and it is going to store in that variable called handle, and the string is my data type, and it is going to print the value. Okay, so I will just first show it once. You understood this method? We have two methods for window handles. One is get window handle and get window handles. Two methods are available. One method will get a particular window number. Get window handles will get all the windows whichever opened. It will fetch all the details of that two windows, means it will get all the details of that window. See, this is the window handle ID of that first window. Can you see that? We can't remember this. This is automatically taken, fetched the output. That is, it will display the particular handle of this window. It displays this output. After that, what I did is, this is my first window. I identified this button, click button, using the X path. This is the X path of that button, and I have used the click method. Once it click this method, what it will do? It will open another window. See, if I click on this, it opens a separate window. Now I got this handle. If I want to get this handle automatically, but if I say, just say that if I am going to repeat this step again also, it will fetch the first window only. It will not fetch the second window, because by default, it is in this window only. This is the window. Okay, you remember, this is the active window. Even though if I click on this and it opens the window also, this is the default window. So if I want to get the ID of all the windows, I can use the method called get window handles of. So what it do? It gets both the window numbers. See, first window number is EE2 and the second window number is this one. Okay. After that, what we are going to do is, here we have used a class name called set. So why we are going to set it is, we are going to fetch the particular window and we are going to close the window. Okay. So if I want to close a particular window, I'm going to do it. So how I'm going to do it is, for string handle one, I'm creating an or initializing a variable here, and I'm saying that driver dot window handle. So it is going to get all the window handles and it's going to store it inside the handle one. So first it opens this window, that is EE2 window, system.out. So that ID is get printed and it will switch to dot window handle off. So what it will do, it will go to the next window. So here also we are using switch to method. Okay, so last, if I say driver.close, it will close the active window alone. First time, it will open the first ID and next another window, it will switch to the another window and again it will print the number. And if there is another one window, it will again perform the operation. So switch to method is to switch from one window to another window. Normally in for loop, it is like an initialization operator. We will just say that I is equal to 1 is the starting value and we will give the condition. So it will automatically rotate. But here we are giving the repetition for windows, not for numbers or value. So we need to use the method called switch to method. So switch to method is common for alert, frames as well as windows. It will fetch both the values and print one value one by one. Then it will switch over to the another window. Then again it performs the operation, print the value, and next it comes out of the loop and it will close the current window. If I want to close both the window, I can use driver.quit.
Okay.
I will show you one second. Now I have commented the driver.quit option.
Okay.
So first it opens the window, click the window and it automatically opens second window. See, it closes only the second window, which is the active window, because I have given only driver.close. Now if I say instead of driver, I will comment this. Instead of driver.close, I'm going to just say driver.quit. So it opens. See, it closes both the windows. So that is the difference. So here only we can exactly see the difference between driver.close and driver.quit. Other than that, the extra methods are get window handle and get window handles, as well as switch to method, switch to dot window. There we used switch to dot frame, switch to dot alert, like that. Here switch to dot window. Okay.